Hey, it is your girl, Sierra, the Work From Home Diva. And as you've seen by the title in today's video, we are going to be talking about a remote job that is data entry only. So there's going to be no phones. And of course, you get to work in the comfort of your own home. So if you have not seen any of my videos before, welcome to the channel. And if you are not new here, welcome back. And I'm glad that you are here. So today, the company that we are talking about is Elavance Health. I will be going through some information, letting you know what they are looking for, and even some of the things that they're offering to you if you decide that you want to apply. So make sure that you guys go ahead and stick around to the end of this video so you can get all of the information to go ahead and apply for this job. So Elavance Health is looking for data entry operator 1 and data entry operator 2. So let's go ahead and go over the job description. So for the job, you will be responsible for operating a data entry device to key and or verify a variety of standard and or complex coded or uncoded business and statistical source data into a computer. Primary duties may include performs daily reconciliation of customer claims, request account adjustments, provide superior quality outcomes by taking ownership of claims to ensure timely resolution or follow-up, processes a minimum of 250 to 300 claims per day, and account for all claims in assigned batches. You're able to achieve and maintain an accuracy of 98% and foster a professional and positive attitude. And I just love jobs like this because when you're working from home, the last thing you want to do is worry about talking on the phone. Some of you may have children, and so this would definitely be a great opportunity to be able to do data entry and not have to speak to anybody. So let's take a look at the requirements for data entry operator 1. So you must have a high school diploma or GED or any combination of education experience, which would provide an equivalent background. Incumbent must have knowledge of claims operation, services, and the various operation of the organization, products, and services. Now, previous experience using PC, data system, and related software, word processing, spreadsheets is required. So it looks like you would have to have some knowledge of Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel. Now, that was for data entry operator 1. For data entry operator 2, they're looking for someone that has a high school diploma, minimum of 2 years of data entry, and customer service experience or any combination of education and experience, which would provide an equivalent background. So the preferred qualifications is flexible work at home position, 10 key entry. Now, if you don't know 10 key, you easily can go online and Google some type of free service where you're able to go in and practice 10 key. I'm not going to lie, it took me, I would say, about a year to learn 10 key. So if you don't know it, definitely practice before you apply. So it provides superior and professional courteous service to customers, timely and accurate resolution of claims entry, make significant contribution to work team as an independent problem solver and decision maker who works without significant guidance, processes 135 to 200 claims per day as needed. Now, as far as the metrics, the quality is rated at 98%. Audit a minimum of 30 per month for associates, looking for very high quality production, 90 to 125%, and may assist with other duties assigned. Let's go ahead and move on and talk about this pay, because I know that's what you guys want to talk about and look at. So for candidates working in person or remote, this is the below locations that they're looking for. So if you take a look right here, these are the places that you must reside in order for you to be able to apply for this position. And it looks like right here, they are paying between $11.60 to $25.55 per hour. Now remember, this is not just one position, it's two. They're looking for the data entry operator 1, and then they're also looking for the data entry opportunity for the second level. So in addition to your salary, Elavance Health offers benefits such as comprehensive benefits package, incentive and recognition programs, equity stock purchase, and 401k contribution. All benefits are subject to eligibility requirements. The salary offered for this specific position is based on a number of legitimate, you know, different things. They're not going to be discriminated against you and things like that. So the rest of this you can definitely read if you go ahead and apply for this position. Now, I do always put all of the information for these positions in the description box below. So you just want to make sure after this video that you go ahead and check out the link and go ahead and apply to this job. Most of the time, if people are talking about, on Instagram, or maybe you even see these types of videos on TikTok, a lot of times these jobs go quickly because we are providing you with the information, and a lot of people are applying for these jobs. So you want to make sure, if this is something you're interested in, that you go ahead and you apply for this ASAP. All right. And definitely do your due diligence and, check out the company and see if this is a good fit for you. But you guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you like videos like this and you want me to keep creating this type of content, make sure you guys go ahead and leave a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.